Here we go. Been waiting for this one. This is the Redragon 98 key gasket keyboard, hot swappable RGB. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of a sneak preview. There's that right there. So let's jump in, show you what it looks like, give you a little bit of sound. We'll go through some measurements, different things like that. But super stoked to get this one open and go from there. Okay, here we go. So this is the Redragon K686 Pro SE 98 wireless gasket gaming keyboard. This is the anime mechanical keyboard, hop swap, socket, dedicated knob control, sound absorbing pads, all of that stuff. It's got a hi-fi linear switch as well. So we're gonna open this and go from here. Packaging is beautiful, obviously. Padded on both sides. We're gonna try and keep this packaging tight here. And we're gonna pull that out here. Set this right next to it here. Got this hard plastic cover. You can see the Redragon logo right there. There's this, and it's going to come with instruction manual here. Talks about your information here, Bluetooth mode, C port, your receiver slot. Obviously, all of the information here. You can even see the fonts are custom, and you get a custom wrap all the way around. And then Redragon tag proof of authenticity as well. So let's talk a little bit about this. Right here's your knob down here that we talked about. So knob control. Again, 98 keys. Got your 9 key over here. Notice all of your specialty buttons have logos on them. You've got your, let me there, fit that there, all together here. All of your commands up here for the PC gaming. It is a pretty thick board, so we're going to turn it over, look at the back as well, and then we'll take a look at the sides. There's the back. Right here, you've got your stands. You can see, and you also have double height, right? So you can go with a lower height or a lower angle, and then pull these up and go with a higher angle. So let's get really close so you can see here. There's the big one, and then the small one. You can use that right there as well. Here's the end. So there's your ports. Right, you've got your Mac and Windows switch, Bluetooth 2.4 off. You've got your USB-C port here. We're going to put these down. And then you've got your Redragon button over here on the other side as well. And this pops out. This is where you're going to get your USB slot right there. Everything's custom on here, obviously. That's why people want them. And I'm just going to type for a second so you can hear the type sounds. Not that this is an ASMR video, but you might get some of that. Super clean, and again, you've got your knob right up here. This is the Redragon K686 Pro SE 98 key wireless gasket RGB gaming keyboard. 3 modes. It's beautiful.